Alright. Oh shit. So, now it's me up against one guy. And I have a minigun and he does not. I actually have 2 miniguns that I can just infinitely spray with. Oh fuck. That startled him apparently. Okay, it's an AI. Alright, let's go. Yeah! Dude, this thing is fucking stupid. This thing is just stupid. It is so fucking dumb. Like, what the fuck? Well, GG to him. Let's see what I got. Alright, I got 5 battle stars. Alright. That means I need 3 more levels and then I'll be able to unlock... Why do I click on that again? There we go. So that means I need 3 more levels to unlock this one. And then I have all the styles until in 13 days when the next ones here come out. That's pretty cool. Other than that, I got everything else. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Peace.